former SAA board member Yakhe Kwinana released on R20,000 bail amid fraud charges. In a recent development that has captured the attention of many, former South African Airways SAA board member Yakhe Kwinana was granted R20,000 bail following her arrest due to allegations of fraud surrounding the state-owned airline. The Palm Ridge Magistrates Court heard the case, where Kwinana faced serious charges of failing to disclose significant conflicts of interest, which potentially influenced the tender processes at SAA. The state accuses Kwinana of not revealing to PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, Ninkanki Incorporated, the SAA Board of Directors, and its Audit Committee that her own firm, Kwinana and Associates, had prior contractual relationships with both PwC and Ninkanki. This undisclosed information is central to the case, as it is believed that had these relationships been made public, the firms might not have been awarded the audit for SAA's 2011-2012 financials. Despite the severity of the allegations, the court decided to grant Kwinana bail, citing her cooperation with law enforcement as a pivotal reason. She voluntarily surrendered herself to the authorities and has maintained a clean criminal record, which heavily weighed in her favor during the bail hearing. During her court appearance, Kwinana, who pleaded for a lower bail amount citing financial constraints, argued that she only receives a modest pension exceeding R$6,500 a month. She emphasized her role as a primary caregiver supporting both her mother and her children, asserting that her continued detention would not serve public interest nor disrupt public order. Further, she committed to avoiding any contact with state witnesses. The prosecutor, Franz Mlongo, did not oppose the bail, backing the decision by highlighting Kwinana's proactive surrender and cooperation. The case has been postponed to December 10th for further proceedings, specifically for the disclosure of the docket, which will give clearer insight into the evidence and details of the alleged infringements. This case continues to unfold against the backdrop of ongoing scrutiny and crackdown on corruption within state-owned enterprises in South Africa. The outcomes of this trial could potentially influence future governance and compliance standards across such entities. Thank you for choosing Satori News.